everybody. Today I want to share with you a quick little automation for changing your wallpaper. Changing your wallpaper can be handy for when you're making videos, or you simply have a couple of favorites that you want to change to super quick. Instead of going through all the menus and going to preferences, you would go you would trigger it via Keyboard Maestro and then pick your favorite wallpaper. This is handy when you have two, but if you're going to have several, you might as well go into preferences and do it the manual way, I'd call it, but this is more automated. So here is what it looks like. Here is the wallpaper that I usually have for making videos. It's a plain aqua blue, I think it's what it's called. And then I can click my trigger, which is caps lock I. And then I have, it should be two, but for some reason here, three of them show up. So I think because I created one macro as a duplicate. So here is the middle one, change background, and it changes to this one. And then I'm going to click it again. I'm going to put it back, and it changes back to the aqua blue. And here is how that macro is done. I'm going to go to my Keyboard Maestro editor. I'm going to search for the change background macro. Here we go. So it is one Keyboard Maestro action actually, so it's rather simple. So here is where the wallpaper is located. Mine is located in Pictures. And so the AppleScript that I'm using, so it's one action, and it's set picture to, and it gives you where the file is located. And then tell system events to set picture of every desktop to picture text. So picture text is here, and this is where the picture is located, and the file name itself, which is Apple Buddha wallpaper. I made this wallpaper from a Arch Linux wallpaper. So it's one simple AppleScript that I will have for you in the links below. So once you have the execute AppleScript action, and here's how to find that action. Simply click to add an action, and you type here execute, or just start typing execute, and then you'll find here execute an AppleScript. Where I could just drag it. There we go. Obviously, I'm not going to keep this here, but then you simply place this text into here, and then you'd find your wallpaper that you want, and then put in the path to it. All right, so and then here's a key element for this macro to work. You need to have a conflict palette appear. A conflict palette is this right here. When I have several macros that utilize the same trigger, like what we just did, caps lock I, and remember my caps lock is my key binding for Control, Option, Command, and Shift. So out of hit is caps lock I, and it gives you the two macros that have either your screen, the screen you already have active, and the one you can change to. If you choose the one that's already active, nothing will change, and you won't see any difference. But now you have to pick the one that's not active. So I'm going to say change background because screen recording background is already active. I'm going to hit C, and as you can see, it changed again. But let's put it back, and simply giving each macro the same trigger. These are two separate macros that you have to give the same trigger so that they appear in the same conflict palette. And that's that. Anyway, guys, I will have this script in the links below, and that's all I have for today. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and comment below as to what you want to see next. And I will see you all in the next video.